Welcome back to Mod Wheels, and if you cannot tell by the thumbnail, no modding today. So we do have an unboxing because I finally got the Aero Styles boxes from One Stop. I know that it's taken a while. It's been, I think I checked, like 2 months since our last video while unboxing for these gold chases. And what we are doing is I got 2 boxes, well, started out getting 2 boxes of each of the Car Culture boxes to try to get some of these gold chases. And if you've been following along, haven't had the greatest luck. I'm hoping that'll change today, maybe. We'll see. We've been through a few boxes, a few extra boxes. We'll have to get that, let's get that count up there. It's kind of, I'm not sure how to go about this because I cheated. I've grabbed some extra cases, so we'll start a new number, and I'm promise after these extra cases I just ordered, I'm not going to order anymore. But before we get into opening this box, we got to take care of a few up here. Now, first one up, we got the BMW. We got the BMW from my buddy Lance, and did a nice little trade. So we need to pop it up here on the wall. And we do have the Skyline. I picked this up from my buddy Tommy. He gave me a great deal on it that I couldn't pass up. So I'm really glad I could find this one because I know everybody was trying to get this one. And it's a Skyline. Who doesn't love a Skyline? So we need to toss this dude up if we can get it on camera here. All right, with that out of the way, you can't tell by the front camera, we got a big old box because I may have ordered extra cases again. I bought into the hype of the Aero Styles, mainly because I knew I'd have a good chance of getting rid of the extras I'll have. At least I hope so. And hopefully hitting one of these chases, because I know that's what everybody is looking for, is this Liberty Walk Skyline. So I think we can open it. This is just taking up my whole table. Let me just get off the desk. Dang packing peanuts. All right, so we got 4 boxes to open. If we don't hit on this one, we're having some issues. I'm trying to see, was that A2? So let me adjust here because I was just going to show you what all we got. These are all U case, and we have an A2, A1, A2, and another A2. Not sure if that means anything for going for our chase. I hope so, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. And I guess we'll get these out of the way. All right, so I guess we'll start with the A1 box and see how that, and we're gonna try to not see what's in this box because I like surprises. I hope you guys do too. And the chase is usually in the center. We're gonna start on the outside, see what car we pull. And we got the Audi touring car. This one is super cool just because of the casting with the details. I know you guys have probably seen unboxings already, and we do a little different because, like I said, we're going for the gold chases. This isn't like a full review type deal, but I do like to take a look at these. Man, I might actually keep that one. I'm not a big Audi fan. Really like the Audi wagons. This one being like a DTM style car, I absolutely love it. Anything racing, usually I'm pretty good with. And another one, of course. I guess there's the back of the card. All the ones that we're gonna see. Let's see. Oh, there it is, the R32 Skyline. This thing, Liberty Walks, Kaido Works. Huh, interesting. Not exactly sure what that means. Kaido House did it? Or is it a collab with Liberty Walk and Kaido? Someone in the comments let me know. I'm not real sure, but definitely dig this. I like what they did with the hood. I don't know if I'd really like it as a 1-to-1 scale car, but in Hot Wheels, I actually really like this one. That one's really cool. That'll probably be a twofer for me. I need one to open and then one to display. Should have another Skyline. Now we're gonna go backwards. Go to the other side of the box. Oh, and then we got the Liberty Walk S15. This thing is super cool as well. Love this casting. Love all the Liberty Walk stuff. Probably going to be a double keeper as well. One to open, one to display. Got another one. And let's see here. And we got the Lexus RCF GT3. And not a big fan of this one. It does have those new RPF 1s on it. And I do like them in gray. So I haven't stolen the wheels off anything yet for it. I probably should. And I might do it on this one if I have some extras that people don't buy. Because I have a feeling that's going to be one of the ones that people aren't going to buy. Let me know if I'm wrong. Another Lexus, of course. And this could be a chase. Oh my God. There it is. Woo! Finally. That's what I'm talking about. How many cases is that? There's 4, 8. I don't know how many I bought, but we'll put the case counter up here. We finally struck gold. I am super excited because, as you guys know, this one is going for a lot. Everybody's looking for this one. And now we have one in the collection. That is, you know what? You're going right up front. That's the first box. Let's go. I am speechless. Finally. And the card is clean. And the car looks clean, free from defects. And not to be overshadowed, we still have the 70 Nova. And this is actually one of my favorites too out of this case. I actually really love this. The livery on it is super cool. I love the old bomber stuff for some reason. I do a lot of that in Forza, where I'll paint cars with the shark mouth, making it look like old P-51 or those old World War II style planes. I really dig that look. So this is going to be another keeper for me. Starting off with a bang, finally. What this series was supposed to be, a little bit of excitement. We got a little bit with the first case. We hit 2 chases. Finally got that. That is the one to hit too. I am excited to say the least. All right, box number 2. All of these are going to be A2s. And we're going to do the same thing. We don't want to see it. And I'm trying to get you guys on camera. It's hard. So, starting from the back again, got the Sylvia and Sylvia, Lexus, and let's grab from the other side. I'm skipping right past Audi, Skyline, and Skyline. Let's see, this should be, yep, there we go. Another Nova. Might be a twofer for me as well. I'm not real sure. And last one in the box. What do you guys think? Double score? Nope, not a double score. That's all right. I'm going to have to get some of these out of the way because we're almost out of room and we still got 2 cases. All right, box number 3. Oh, let's see. Let's block it so we don't see it. I don't want to see it. Let's try to rip through these quick. We got the Audi, and Skyline. Switch to the other side. I don't know why I spun that, but here we are. S15. Oh, come on. S15. See, that's where I want to get this box completely out of the shot. Another Lexus. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, last time it was next to it, I think. Let's see. Oh, I already saw it. It's a Nova. And I didn't see this one. Dang it. All right, one more case. Come on, baby. Oof. And my knife didn't cut anything. That's right. Don't want to see. Yeah, Audi. You guys know the deal. Skyline. Skyline. I don't need to spin the box. What am I doing? It's 15. 15. Lexus. You guys see it? I didn't see it. How about this one? Is that it? Nova. Dang it, which that is totally fine by me. I am pumped to have at least one in the collection. That's kind of what we're going for. And we get to get our counter. Finally scored. It only took, I don't know how many cases. I'm going to have to add them up in my head. I think it was, I don't know, it was a lot. It was a lot, but worth it. And we'll talk about that more maybe in a different video. But for now, wow, we need to get this. Let's go ahead and get this on the wall. We got an empty spot. All right, there we go in the protector. And now it's on the wall. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, we still have 2 chases left from this year. So stick around. Hopefully those don't take 2 months in between each one to get. So we'll see if we get lucky again. I know I'll be wanting that I know I'll be wanting the Porsche from the last set. And I mean, I have to get the 4Runner, of course, to complete the collection. So we'll see if we can do that. And I'm only doing 2 boxes of each, which are already pre-ordered, so stick around. We'll have that hopefully shortly whenever they come in. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.